Ekile nendo bende pabwo wendo ne ogoero kamano ne oganda mowuok kar chung'o buche onogo Embakasi East kuom ne yiere kaka jaod bura kendo miye thuolo manindo mar mondo mi otinegi ka opako mene jotelo mamoko mosebedo ka tiyo ne oganda e yo nendo makare ka ojiwo ni pod gibiro medo neno ni jopiny oyudo chenro go mag dongruok e yo nendo mowinjore.
Everything that we do, it is about God. Amen. It's about Allah. I want to take also this opportunity to thank my family for the great support that they've accorded me this far, and to thank from the bottom of my heart the great people of the Embakasi East Republic for giving me this opportunity, for honoring me to lead them. I've served them for a record 2 terms, and I want to promise them that I shall always deliver. I shall always work for them because they are my bosses. I also want to congratulate the honorable members of Parliament, both Senate and National Assembly, who are here for the deserving win. Congratulations. Mheshimiwa Lesuda, congratulations. Majimbo Kalasinga, tukilinda wananchi, bado tutazidi kulinda wananchi. Governor Vihiga County, tunakushukuru sana Bwana Usotsi. To all the leaders who are here, including Kiborek, Daktari Sonko, Jaffe, Mheshimiwa wetu, women rep wetu, Mombasa, Kajiado, na washukuru sana na waembu. Thank you.